this is boosted with glutathione. I can't speak today. Hi everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Vaseline Glutahia's new edition, that is the Glutahia Smoothing Perfector Serum in Lotion, and this is with 70 times AHA BHA complex. This is an exfoliating serum in lotion for exfoliated skin and radiant glow. I have two variants of this lotion already on my channel. आप मेरी स्किन केयर प्लेलिस्ट जरूर चेक कर लीजिएगा, उसमें आपको दोनों वेरिएंट्स मिल जाएंगे. The latest one was the sunscreen variant, which I absolutely loved. So let's see how is this and whether this is really true to its name or not. So this one is in the green color packaging. I love how it is all having different packaging. So you have a light pink, a purple, you have a yellow one for the sunscreen, and then this one is like a really turquoise color. Okay, so this is boosted with GlutaGlow technology for 10 times more powerful, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. We have seen that in all of the GlutaGlow variants, and it has 4D hyaluron, combines hyaluron of varying molecular weights for multi-layered deep skin hydration and for dewy skin. And of course, because this is an exfoliating variant, it has 70 times AHA BHA complex, which boosts the skin cell turnover and gently removes the skin, improves the skin texture, revealing the perfect smooth glow from within. Now this has a very big claim of refining the skin texture within 7 days, which is mentioned here at the back. Now let me tell you that is definitely not what happens. This is a 200 ml tube and the price of it is 499 rupees. You can obviously get it at discounts. Now if I talk of the consistency and the texture and the fragrance and everything, it's pretty much exactly like any other GlutaGlow variant. So अगर आपने कोई भी GlutaGlow variant use किया हुआ है, then the fragrance and the texture is exactly the same. It's a very lightweight, non-sticky, easy to seep in texture, and because this is serum based, it's not really a body lotion as such, so therefore it seeps into the skin very fast. However, being that lightweight and non-sticky texture, it's not really for people with dry skin. So whenever I use this variant, this or any other Glutahia variant, I usually go over with another body lotion on top of it, because this is just not enough for my dry body skin, because it has hyaluronic acid in it. So it does tend to give you a moisture to the skin, but that's really not enough. The smoothness part and that deep moisturization is something that really these serum in lotions miss. So on top of this, मैं generally एक normal body lotion अपना लगा लेती हूँ. अब अगर मैं इसके ingredients की बात करूँ तो इसमें obviously the first few are water, dimethicone, and then it has niacinamide, and then it has fragrance, phenoxyethanol, methyl paraben. So this is not a paraben free product, it has methyl paraben, but it also has phenoxyethanol as a preservative, and this is all in the first 10 ingredient components. So it's like these concentrations are quite high. And when I talk of the exfoliators, that is your salicylic acid and your glycolic acid, salicylic acid, glutathione, ethyl hexyl glycerine, and of course the sodium hyaluronate, these are all in the last 10 components of the ingredient list. So the concentration of the actives is there, but it's very less, and therefore I feel like to get those results, it will take a lot of time, and that's why I said that 7 days is just not enough to show any kind of results, and that refined skin thing, that's not happening in 7 days. So one good thing about using these ingredients, these active ingredients in a lesser quantity, is that everybody will be able to use this, because अगर ये active ingredients बहुत ज़्यादा quantity में या first half of the ingredient list में होते तो बहुत लोग इसे use नहीं कर पाते, because they are quite strong actives, let's face it, right? The exfoliators, they are quite strong, so you can't really have them in the first half if you want this particular lotion to be usable by everyone. So therefore Vaseline has kind of played safe and used these components in a very minimalistic kind of a quantity. Now I do have some pigmentation along my arms, you can see right here, you can see I have really not noticed any change in this pigmentation or anything like that. I have been using this for 10-15 days, so that 7-day claim is definitely out of the window, but even in 10-15 days I could not really notice something very incredible or anything noticeable even, actually, because like I said, the ingredients or the actives are used in a very small number, and therefore to be anything to be visible enough, it will take time. अगर कुछ होगा भी तो अभी मेरी नज़र में तो नहीं आया है. My hand still looks kind of the same, maybe a little more smoothened, a little more refined, but it's too hard to claim and tell you on video that, oh my god, yes, it really works. So should you really get this? I mean, it's not a bad product from Vaseline, it's a decent product. But if you're looking for something which if your hands are or legs are too pigmented, or they are too you have strawberry skin and stuff like that, then you don't need this. You need something stronger. This is not for you. And use it in the night only. I use it only in the night time because it has AHA BHA, so it's not really recommended to use in the daytime. And if you use it in the daytime, don't forget to follow up with a proper sunscreen. So for my kind of skin, which is not really, I don't have strawberry skin or anything like that, just a little bit of unevenness on my hands, and so for my kind of skin, this is a decent product. Will I get it again? I mean, really, I have to use the full bottle, make a judgment, and then see whether I need to have it again or not. So I think that was pretty much it for the review of this one. I really hope that this has helped you. If you want to buy it, definitely you can give it a try, but give it time also to make it work. बहुत जल्दबाजी के ये डेफिनेटली नहीं है, और जैसा कि मैंने बोला कि ये ड्राई स्किन लोगों के लिए नहीं है. इफ़ यू हैव एन ऑयली बॉडी स्किन एंड यू लुकिंग फॉर अ ग्रेट मॉइस्चराइजर, देन दीज वंस आर रियली गुड. एनी फ्रॉम ग्लूटा हेयर रेंज फॉर दैट मैटर, वैसलीन ग्लूटा हेयर रेंज का कोई भी वेरिएंट एक्सेप्ट द सनस्क्रीन वन, क्योंकि वो तो सनस्क्रीन है, यू कैन यूज इन ऑन योर बॉडी एंड यू विल बी फाइन. सो या, दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई रियली होप दिस हैज हेल्प्ड you. If it has, please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for taking out the time to watch this video. I'll see you again in my next one. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.